Hello. This is a quick introduction. My name's Andrew Seaward and I'm going to be running the training programme that we're going to be starting on Monday. I'm very much looking forward to meeting you all and working with you. The training programme, which is around selling on the telephone and ideas around communication skills that I hope will help you, will be based around 5 Zoom sessions. So the first one is on Monday. Our plan is to run them at weekly intervals. Nitesh and I will review the situation after the first couple and make a decision about whether we want to change the frequency. But certainly one a week for the next 5 weeks. You've already been introduced to GiraffePad, so you've already created your profile, and that's the place where we will have all of our dialogue as we go through the program. So all the training modules that we use, I will post in GiraffePad. And also I'm keen to get a little bit of dialogue going. So if you've got any questions for me, then that's the place to put them in GiraffePad, and I'll try and remember to keep an eye on the notification. So GiraffePad is going to be the place where we're going to run everything from. GiraffePad also is now fully integrated with Zoom, so therefore you log into GiraffePad and then you trigger your Zoom invite, so click on the link on Monday morning in order to start our first session together. Now, I'm very well aware of the fact that, of course, I've not met any of you before, I've not spoken to you before, so we'll spend just a little bit of time on Monday morning getting a quick introduction from each of you. You haven't got to prepare anything in advance. I don't need you to spend any time over the weekend putting anything together. I'll ask you a few simple questions on Monday just so that I can understand a bit about what type of work you've done before and perhaps what you want to get out of this program. So we'll do a quick introduction. I will also do an introduction, tell you a little bit about me and my background as well, rather than doing it here and now. The program will be designed to be engaging and interactive. So there'll be exercises that I'm asking you to do and all that kind of thing as we go through the program, because I want you to think about it and hopefully enjoy the process as we go through. So there will be 3 ground rules. The first one is around the fact that you do need to have something to write on and something to write with as we go through the program. There will be some questions I'm asking you. There will be some exercises set where you'll need to just jot some things down, and hopefully you would naturally come to a training session with some paper and a pen or pencil anyway, just to make some notes that I hope will be helpful to you. The second one is around asking questions. There is a chat function within Zoom. Some of you may be familiar with that, but I'm very happy because there's only going to be 4 of us on screen at any one time. If you've got a particular question or something occurs to you, then just put your hand up and I may carry on talking, but I'll then come back to you and do my best to address your question. Each of the sessions hopefully will be around about an hour or so, but they could run on, some of them depending on the interactivity we have, for perhaps an hour and a half. So I would just recommend, obviously make sure that you're well set up for each of these sessions, that you've got a drink, you've got your paper, your pen, you've limited any distractions as much as you possibly can. Just trying to think if there's anything else I want to say to you. I think that's pretty much it really. The rest of it we'll cover on Monday morning. So very much look forward to working with you and meeting you on screen. In the meantime, if you are picking this up at any time over the weekend, have a great weekend. Looks like the weather forecast says it's going to be really hot. So have a great time and I look forward to working with you on Monday. See you then. Bye.